welcome back to my channel, Iraqi Dinar, where I bring you the latest updates on the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong. Let's dive into today's news. Intel guru Frank26 has shared an update on Iraq's budget process, quoting a boots-on-the-ground report from Firefly. According to Firefly, once the budget reaches the Council of Ministers, it gets reviewed before being passed on to Parliament. Frank, 26, emphasizes that Prime Minister Sadani and his team will carefully evaluate every financial detail, ensuring the budget is fully prepared and nearly impossible to change by the time lawmakers receive it. He points out that this step is crucial before the budget becomes official. Meanwhile, Newshound guru Sandy Ingram highlights an interesting economic move from Zimbabwe: the introduction of a gold-backed currency called the ZIG, Zimbabwe gold, currently valued at 8 cents per unit. Ingram draws parallels to Switzerland's financial model, where controlling access to currency raises its value. He speculates that Iraq might adopt a similar strategy, potentially increasing the dinar's value if backed by tangible assets like gold. Newshound guru Samson reports that the U.S. Treasury may issue a warning to Rafid Bank regarding possible sanctions. This indicates rising scrutiny on Iraq's banking sector and its compliance with U.S. financial regulations. Investors are closely monitoring the situation, as such sanctions could affect Iraq's economic stability and international banking relationships. Newshound Intel guru Phil addresses a common misconception. He firmly states that redemption centers do not exist. He clarifies that everyone will receive the same exchange rate except those holding pre-2011 October private contracts. This is a clear attempt to correct misleading information circulating among currency investors. At the same time, Newshound guru CLA draws attention to Iran's deepening economic crisis. Iran has issued a 200,000 Toman banknote amid widespread protests driven by a collapsing economy. The Iranian rial has plummeted to 95,300 rials per US dollar, while the price of gold bars has surged past 79 million rials. Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei's refusal to engage with the U.S. has intensified market uncertainty, pushing Iran into deeper financial turmoil. This instability, combined with potential sanctions on Iraq's banks, has sparked regional economic concerns, with investors speculating on how Iraq's currency might be impacted. Newshound guru Militiaman suggests that Iraq will not enter the international Forex market at the current 1,310 IQD/USD rate. He argues that if this rate were final, Iraq would have already made the transition. The ongoing delay hints at the possibility of a higher exchange rate once Iraq integrates fully into global financial markets, a view that aligns with growing speculation of a stronger dinar valuation. Frank, 26, also touches on Iran's influence over Iraq's economy, claiming that Iranian-backed politicians and media outlets have weakened Iraq's financial sovereignty. He asserts that corruption within the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, fueled by Iranian influence, has stalled Iraq's economic progress, preventing the country from fully capitalizing on its vast natural resources. Intel Newshound guru Mars cites U.S. intelligence reporting that Iraqi forces have successfully eliminated a high-ranking ISIS commander described as one of the world's most dangerous terrorists. This major victory, particularly in northern Iraq, is expected to enhance regional stability and deal a significant blow to remaining ISIS factions. Newshound guru Claire supports this with an article confirming the killing, with Prime Minister Sudani officially acknowledging the operation's success. The targeted figure was a key ISIS operational leader, making this a crucial step in Iraq's ongoing fight against terrorism. Lastly, Intel guru Bruce shares his thoughts on exchange rates. He claims that redemption centers offer higher rates for the Iraqi dinar compared to traditional banks, particularly through contract rates. However, he notes that the Vietnamese Dong will have the same rate at both places. This fuels further speculation among investors about whether exchanging dinar at these centers could yield better returns, a topic that continues to stir debate. These updates reflect two major themes: Iraq's persistent battle against terrorism and the evolving discussion around currency revaluation. As Iraq takes significant steps towards financial reform, from budget finalization to currency speculation, investors are keeping a close eye on emerging developments. Stay tuned to Iraqi Dinar for more updates. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed on all the latest currency news.